Happiness in a pigeon is subtle and often easy to overlook. Unlike dogs that wag their tails or cats that purr audibly, pigeons express contentment through quiet signals, nuanced body language, and behavioral patterns that are frequently unnoticed by casual observers. Understanding whether a pet pigeon is happy requires careful observation, a knowledge of natural pigeon instincts, and an awareness of how comfort, trust, and satisfaction manifest in everyday life. Recognizing happiness in a bird that communicates so subtly can be challenging, but once understood, it offers a profound insight into the emotional and psychological well-being of a cherished companion. One of the clearest indicators of a happy pigeon is relaxed posture. A content pigeon will sit upright without stiffness, with its wings tucked comfortably against its body and feathers lying smooth and orderly. The head is often held slightly forward or tilted to preen, and the bird may sway gently while perched or bob its head rhythmically as it observes its surroundings. These subtle movements convey calmness and security. In contrast, puffed feathers, constant vigilance, or a rigid stance are signs that the bird is stressed, uncomfortable, or unsure of its environment. Observing how a pigeon holds its body over extended periods allows owners to gauge the bird's baseline level of comfort and contentment. Vocalizations are another important clue. Pigeons coo softly when relaxed, especially during resting periods, feeding, or gentle interaction with their human caretaker. These coos are typically steady, rhythmic, and low in volume, unlike sharp or repetitive alarm calls, which signal fear or agitation. In addition to cooing, a happy pigeon may produce gentle chatter or murmuring sounds while preening, moving about its environment, or interacting socially. These vocalizations indicate a sense of safety and engagement with surroundings. Birds that rarely vocalize, produce harsh or continuous calls, or fall silent suddenly may be experiencing stress or discomfort. Monitoring patterns of vocalization over time provides insight into the pigeon's emotional state. Preening behavior is another critical indicator of happiness and psychological well-being. A pigeon that consistently grooms itself is not only maintaining physical health but demonstrating a sense of safety and comfort. In nature, preening is interrupted if a bird perceives threat. Therefore, consistent self-care indicates the absence of fear and a stable environment. Social preening, in which a pigeon nibbles gently at its human's fingers, clothing, or hair, is a particularly strong indicator of trust and emotional satisfaction. Birds that allow gentle human interaction during preening demonstrate a bond built on security and positive association. Preening can also extend to environmental objects, such as cleaning or rearranging straw, paper, or other materials in a cage or aviary. Such behavior reflects engagement with surroundings and the expression of natural instincts, both of which are hallmarks of contentment. Eating and drinking habits reveal much about a pigeon's mood and well-being. A happy pigeon eats with focus, approaches its food calmly, and drinks without hesitation or fear. Birds that exhibit sudden reluctance to eat, approach familiar feeding spots cautiously, or show disinterest in food may be experiencing discomfort, stress, or illness. Routine feeding times that the pigeon anticipates with calm excitement are a further sign of stability and contentment. Observing how a bird eats in comparison to its normal behavior allows owners to detect subtle changes in mood or health that may otherwise go unnoticed. Feeding behavior also includes social aspects. Pigeons may wait their turn calmly, exhibit patience, or interact cooperatively with other birds in multi-pigeon households. These behaviors indicate both social harmony and a relaxed emotional state. Playful and exploratory behavior is another marker of happiness. Pigeons are naturally curious creatures that benefit from stimulation and mental engagement. A content bird will walk confidently around its environment, investigate objects, hop between perches, and occasionally take short flights in safe spaces. Engagement with mirrors, toys, or familiar objects demonstrates curiosity, mental stimulation, and a sense of security. Birds that retreat constantly, freeze when approached, or avoid interaction are often stressed, anxious, or unhappy. Encouraging exploration and providing safe, enriched environments allows pigeons to express these natural behaviors, reinforcing both emotional and physical health. Wing and tail positioning also communicates mood. Relaxed pigeons hold their wings close to the body, maintain neat tail feather alignment, and move their heads fluidly. Sudden flaring of wings, repeated tail flicks, or constant wing adjustments may signal agitation, stress, or discomfort. Eye behavior offers additional insight. Soft blinking, partial closure, or brief napping with eyes closed indicates trust and contentment, whereas wide, unblinking stares suggest alertness, fear, or anxiety. A combination of relaxed posture, gentle vocalizations, preening, and calm eye behavior provides a reliable set of indicators for a happy pigeon. Interaction with humans is central to assessing happiness in pet pigeons. Birds that voluntarily approach, follow, or perch near a human companion are demonstrating trust and comfort. Subtle requests for attention, such as lowering the head for gentle petting, nuzzling fingers, or leaning into a human's hand, are clear signs of emotional satisfaction. For prey animals, seeking contact is a deliberate and conscious choice. It reflects confidence in safety and positive associations. Consistent, gentle interaction helps build trust and reinforces happiness, while forcing attention or handling against the birds may create stress and reduce emotional security. Flight and movement patterns are further indicators of well-being. A happy pigeon moves confidently, hops, or flies short distances without hesitation. The bird maintains balance while exploring and exhibits curiosity without fear. Hesitation, repeated falls, or reluctance to fly may suggest physical discomfort, anxiety, or environmental stress. Safe spaces for flight, hopping, and climbing are critical for maintaining both mental and physical health. Observing how a pigeon navigates its surroundings offers insight into confidence, comfort, and satisfaction. Social behavior is another key aspect of happiness. Pigeons are inherently flock animals, and positive social interactions contribute significantly to emotional well-being. Signs of contentment in a social context include coordinated preening, cooing in response to interaction, and gentle mimicry of human or other bird behaviors. Birds that lack social engagement may experience boredom, depression, or behavioral issues such as feather plucking. Ensuring companionship, whether through another pigeon or through trusted human interaction, supports social health and overall happiness. Environmental enrichment plays a significant role in pigeon contentment. Access to natural light, safe perches at various heights, opportunities for bathing, and objects for exploration allow birds to express instinctual behaviors. Neglecting these needs can result in stress, frustration, and behavioral problems, while providing appropriate stimulation promotes mental engagement and emotional stability. Items such as shallow water baths, textured perches, mirrors, or safe, manipulable objects can be used to encourage natural behaviors and enhance a bird's quality of life. Consistency and predictability in care are essential for emotional security. Pigeons that know when and where they will be fed, handled, or allowed to exercise experience a stable, secure environment. Sudden changes, loud noises, or unexpected handling can create anxiety, undermining a bird's happiness even when other care requirements are met. Predictable routines, gentle handling, and calm environmental conditions support a bird's sense of control and confidence. In conclusion, a happy pet pigeon demonstrates calm, confident behavior, soft and steady vocalizations, regular and thorough preening, curiosity, and positive social interaction. Happiness in pigeons is expressed in subtle, understated ways that require careful observation and understanding of natural instincts. Owners who take the time to notice these signs gain a deep understanding of their bird's emotional state and cultivate a trusting, meaningful relationship. The satisfaction of a content pigeon is profound yet quiet, reflecting a bond built on respect, care, and mutual understanding. By providing safe environments, consistent routines, social opportunities, environmental enrichment, and gentle, patient interaction, owners ensure that their pigeons not only survive but thrive, expressing the small, delicate signs of happiness that reveal confidence, trust, and overall well-being. Observing these signs daily and responding with care allows the bird's happiness to flourish, creating a home where pigeons can express natural behavior, enjoy comfort, and live emotionally enriched, fulfilling lives.